What if I told you that some vehicles parked in American driveways right now are bigger, more luxurious, and more expensive than the house you grew up in? These are not RVs. These are not campers. These are mobile mansions, rolling palaces built for people who refuse to compromise on comfort anywhere on Earth. 5 machines, 5 jaw-dropping displays of American luxury engineering. Welcome to Quantum BattleCore. Let's step inside. Number 1. The Marathon Coach Prevost H345. Forget everything you think you know about motorhomes. This is not a vehicle. This is a custom-built estate on wheels. Marathon Coach takes the Prevost H345, already one of the most powerful and reliable bus chassis in the world, and transforms it into a fully personalized luxury residence, with price tags often exceeding $2 to $3 million. Every single inch of this coach is hand-built to order. Marble countertops, custom hardwood cabinetry, heated floors, full-size washer and dryer units. Some models even include multiple flat-screen televisions, premium sound systems, and full bathrooms with walk-in showers that rival 5-star hotels. Powered by a massive diesel engine producing well over 600 horsepower, this coach doesn't just look impressive, it can comfortably cruise across entire continents at highway speed. Owners don't just buy a Marathon Coach, they design it, choosing every material, every layout, every detail, turning a vehicle into a true reflection of their personal taste. The Marathon Coach Prevost H345, because for some people, even the open road deserves 5-star luxury. Number 2. The Newell Coach P50. While most RV manufacturers build dozens of units per month, Newell Coach does something almost unheard of in the industry. They build only a handful of coaches per year. Each Newell P50 is constructed with an obsessive attention to detail that borders on artistry. The chassis, the body, and the interior are all engineered and assembled entirely in-house, nothing outsourced, nothing mass-produced. Inside, owners are greeted with genuine hardwood flooring, designer furniture, and custom-built living spaces that feel less like a vehicle and more like a high-end condominium that happens to move at 70 miles per hour. The P50 features advanced hydraulic leveling systems, ensuring the coach sits perfectly level no matter where it's parked, combined with slide-out rooms that can nearly double the interior living space at the push of a button. With waiting lists that can stretch for months or even years, owning a Newell isn't just about luxury, it's about exclusivity that money alone can't always buy instantly. The Newell Coach P50, handcrafted American luxury, built one coach at a time. Number 3. The Heat. This isn't just a motorhome, this is a piece of Hollywood history. Built by Anderson Mobile Estates, the Heat was customized for actor Will Smith, who used it as his personal home on set while filming blockbusters like Men in Black 3, Ali, and The Pursuit of Happiness. Standing on 22 wheels and stretching over 53 feet long, this is a true 2-story motorhome, its upper level rising hydraulically to reveal a stunning second floor that most regular houses would envy. Inside, the Heat offers over 1,200 square feet of living space, larger than many studio apartments in major American cities. It features a full gourmet kitchen, a luxurious bathroom complete with a sauna, and, perhaps most jaw-dropping of all, a 30-person screening room on its upper level that doubles as a private office and conference space. Valued at $2.5 million, the Heat has become one of the most famous celebrity motorhomes ever built, and today it can even be rented by anyone willing to pay thousands of dollars per night. The Heat, proof that when Hollywood decides to build a motorhome, it builds a legend. Number 4. The Furrion Elysium. If the other coaches on this list feel like luxury homes, the Elysium feels like something from the future. Built on a massive semi-truck chassis, the Furrion Elysium isn't just one of the largest motorhomes ever created, it's a technological showcase unlike anything else on the road. This rolling mansion comes equipped with its own rooftop helicopter landing pad in some configurations, a swimming pool, multiple bedrooms, a home theater, and even a garage capable of carrying a small vehicle or motorcycle inside the coach itself. The interior blends smart home automation with opulent design, voice-controlled lighting, climate, and entertainment systems that respond instantly to the owner's every command. Powered by a heavy-duty diesel engine built for serious hauling power, the Elysium can comfortably tow additional vehicles while still delivering a smooth, stable ride across thousands of miles. This is not transportation. This is a five-star resort that happens to have wheels. The Furrion Elysium, redefining what luxury on the road truly means. And number 5, saving the most extraordinary for last, the 2026 Millennium H345. This is widely considered the pinnacle of luxury motor coach engineering, and once you see what's inside, you'll understand exactly why. Built on the legendary Prevost H345 platform, the Millennium Edition takes everything impressive about luxury coaches and pushes it even further into uncharted territory. Step inside and you're greeted by imported marble flooring, custom Italian leather furniture, and museum-quality finishes that wouldn't look out of place in a Manhattan penthouse. Owners can customize every single detail, from the layout of the master bedroom to the type of wood used on cabinetry, to fully integrated smart climate and entertainment systems controllable from a tablet. Some configurations even include expandable rooms on both sides of the coach, once parked. This isn't simply the most luxurious motorhome on this list. Many in the industry consider it the most luxurious motorhome ever built, period. The 2026 Millennium H345, an apartment, a palace, and a masterpiece all rolling down the highway together. If this blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe to Quantum BattleCore, and hit the bell so you never miss what's rolling in next, because the road has never looked this luxurious.